Yeah, and including dying.
Yeah, well, someone's gotta. Okay, are you gonna go buy some stuff? Or are you just gonna steal my shit?
It's just gonna take yours. I don't know how much quid I have. Let me see. Dang it! Get on the thing.
I'm worried because I bought the stuff before we landed.
Uh-huh.
So I'm wondering
Let me see what I
what's
got.
gonna happen.
How much do I have? I have 16. That ain't gonna give me anything. I can't even get a shovel or a flashlight. No, I can get a flashlight.
You
Bro,
know
I'm
what you'll
not
be good for on this level?
bait.
Sacrifice. Yes, that too.
That clock moves quick. It was like 8 a.m. like 10 seconds ago.
Yeah, we're not very good employees. Okay, I guess we should
We should go to the building.
go
We gotta go to the building.
over here.
Where's the building?
Over here. Follow me.
Where'd you go?
Come on, dude. Oh man.
Where'd you go?
Over here to your left.
To my
9
left.
o'clock.
To
Okay.
your...
Okay. Run, run, run. No, to the right. Come on.
You said to the left.
What?
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. See those lights over there? I think that's the building. But I don't know if we should go down or around. Probably around. Yeah. Alright. We gotta hit quota. What's quota, anyways? Did you see that anywhere?
No, I was just trying to grab some metal. That's it.
Yeah. Because we have to hit quota, and this is the last day to do it.
Yeah, well, it ain't
But
gonna
I don't know what. It is. We just gotta find some good.
Well, we gotta find some good stuff and not die.
Here. Take the flashlight. And I'll hold the shovel.
Oh, nice.
Make sure you're turning it off if there's no darkness.
I got you.
I'll be right behind you to kill you and take the flashlight.
Oh, look, I got some metal.
Hold on, put it down. Let's see what it's worth.
Okay, hold on.
$53. Oh wait. Oh, and a key. Okay. I'll grab a key for 3. Maybe
Well,
it's ghost.
I'm gonna take it to the... My hands are full, so I'm taking it to the ship.
Alright. Well, I would say... Well, yeah, I guess.
Bro, it's already 12:41 p.m.
Oh, it's lunchtime, baby. I guess you could have left me the flashlight. That would have been cool.
Well...
Especially since I bought it.
What in the world? I just drowned.
Are you serious?
I drowned in something.
Are you spectating me? Where'd you go? Are you spectating me?
Yes.
Now? Where'd you go? To the right?
To the right?
Well, guide me. Where did you go?
Oh, I can't see. To maybe back to your left, maybe a little bit. Go that way. No, that's your right, bro. Just head
Well,
back.
I went a little left.
Oh,
I'm gonna go back to the building. Okay, here's the building.
Nope. Yeah.
Where do I go?
I came out of the building door and I went to the right.
Okay, so you went this... Or all the way to the right. Okay, yeah. So you went here. Did you go up?
I think I was going...
Stay up high?
Yeah, I think... Be careful. Maybe back to your left just a hair. I was definitely up on a hill, but then I just drowned. So I don't know where I went.
Probably in the water.
But see, you're not drowning. That's weird.
Well, this sucks because the ship's. Oh no, that's not the ship. Never mind. Okay. Is any of this familiar?
No.
Grape.
I don't know what happened. I was just walking and then I started sinking and I couldn't get out.
Okay. What is this? I guess
Maybe
I'm
it was.
going in here. Okay.
There's
Ah.
something.
What the fuck?
That was a mine.
Jesus, I thought it was a robot vacuum.
It was most certainly not.
That was not a Roomba. Okay.
Oh my gosh. That was hilarious. Oh, look at that. We got nothing.
We fucking
I think that's it.
suck. Oh, okay, okay, we have one more day. Okay, like this is like. Okay, so 0 days left is like.
Where are we going? Oh, wait.
Oh,
Wait. You got to put us in orbit. Oh, wait.
use the terminal to route to the company.
No, that's it. We're done.
Yeah, we're done.